how to hide or unhide a page on Wix. So for example, I want to hide these blog pages right here. And then to hide it, you want to go to pages and menu right here at the left side of your screen. And then on the side menu, you want to find the blog pages and then choose these three dots and then choose on hide from menu. And the blog is gone from my menu. But it can still be found by search result in Google. So when somebody search on tutorial with Sena/blog, they will find my pages. And then to hide it again from your Google search result or any of the search result engine, you want to choose these three dots right here. And then click on SEO basics. And then you want to scroll down. And right here on the let search engine index these pages, you want to make sure it was turning off. And then to unhide the page, you want to turn on again on the search engine's index page. And then you want to click again on these three dots and click on show in menu. And then the blog will appear again on your menu. And don't forget, after that, you want to click on publish. Otherwise, people won't see the changes that you have made. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.